In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneNote light mode. If you're working in OneNote and prefer a bright, clean canvas, this is quick and easy. We'll use a built-in control on the ribbon to switch your page background to light. This works on the OneNote desktop app on both Windows and Mac, and it changes the canvas where you type and draw. Just keep in mind, this doesn't change the color of the app's frame or menus, only the page itself. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Once you're in your notebook, look along the top for the ribbon and click the View tab. The View tab holds display-related settings, and that's where the background control lives. If your ribbon is minimized, expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Inside the View tab, look for a button labeled Switch Background. Click it once, and your page canvas will flip to a light background. You don't need to change any other settings. This single toggle does the job. If you're coming from dark mode, you'll notice typed text and ink pop more crisply against the light page, which can help with readability and eye comfort in bright environments. If you don't immediately see Switch Background, try widening your OneNote window so more of the ribbon is visible. Some displays collapse less used commands when space is tight. Also make sure you're definitely on the View tab, not Home or Insert. On Mac, the button name and location are the same within the View tab, so the process is identical. After you click Switch Background, that page is now light. If you prefer to go back to a dark canvas later, click the same button again to toggle it back. Use whichever feels better for your current lighting and workflow. As a practical tip, if you're preparing to present, share your screen, or export content where contrast matters, switching to a light page can make diagrams and handwritten notes more legible for your audience. If the button still isn't visible, make sure your OneNote app is up to date. Updates often surface newer controls on the ribbon. You can also try resizing the app or checking for any simplified ribbon views that might be hiding it. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote, go to the View tab, and click Switch Background to turn your page light. Try it now. See how your notes look on a bright canvas, and use the toggle whenever you want to change the feel of your workspace.